Okay, hi. This is gonna be a more physical activation to assist you in teaching you, presenting you, offering you some very easy tools that you can integrate in your everyday life in order to becoming fluid and enabling yourself to anchor frequencies with your physical body in a way that is light, joyful, and enhances your connection with your universal child, with your God spark within, with your inner child that has endlessly traveled through the universe and has experienced a lot of garbage and stuff. We might call it drama lama, but really this stuff this stuff is really dense. Let's assist each other now in transmuting these densinesses in fluidity. So you may now decide either you just receive whatever is here to receive for you. It's gonna be sorcery, energy sorcery. Um, created by me and Source Consciousness X, and with some movement. Okay, it's like a shamanic dance. So take a deep breath and relax and say out loud or in your inner eyes, I receive, I claim, I seize this present, I seize the throne. Okay, we start with opening your field by stretching and opening your chest area. And you might feel that your shoulders are repositioning themselves. That, like an eagle, you see? So the movement of the eagle is like, okay. Then flexibility, because energy is flowing through your body. It's using, besides other capacities and facilities of your body, your physique, your tissues. So a flexible body means a more flexible, fluid, energetic field. Now you can cross your arms like that. In this way, you are expanding your energetic fields in a way that density reverberates and exits your energetic field. And now perform the 8. This structure is proven to realign your electromagnetic field, your inner ley lines, meridians, in this crisscross pattern, which is the natural pattern. Yeah. And it is reconnecting your left hemisphere with the right hemisphere. And you will feel sense that now you are clearer in your head. It's lighter. What you can do as well is performing the 8 with just one arm. And even above, like an 8, because around your body there is a lot of energetic fields. These energetic fields are like layers. They have layers, yeah. So just do whatever feels right for you. And when you are asking what I'm holding, here's some crystals. Yes. So now with your legs, get yourself moving. Realign your spine, straighten your spine. You may now bring them up. And now connect up. Draw the energy down, let it flow. And up. And circle. Oh. And you feel how the density is exiting, with your muscles becoming more soft. Everything drops out of your field. Oh, Now in your backside, because your field is completely around, you can just do these movements. It has a function to push the spine liquid up and down, so for movement the fascia get activated by that. You will feel when it is enough for you. Okay, so, okay. Oh. So, this is it. And you can integrate it wherever you feel comfortable to integrate it. And I can sense the effect. It is magnificent, okay? We should play more with our bodies. So now comes the energetic sorcery. Bring forth whatever remains still in your body that hasn't been erased or transmuted or just pushed away by these movements. Bring it into awareness. Demand it. Connect with your superconscious mind or with your monadic mind. And order that the density becomes now aware and illuminated. You know, feel, see, sense. Whether it is known or unknown, whether it is conscious or unconscious, bring it forth. And now say, I evaporate you, I eliminate you, be gone, and breathe out. And now you may feel that your body wants to release it by you moving in a particular way. For me, for example, I need to move my legs. Why do I get this effect? Because I'm the channel. Whatever I channel through, this effect is shared. This is the simultaneity of giving and receiving as a channel. Okay, you may close your eyes or you may just leave them open or let this play in the background. Energy flows always with your permission. Sanai toro sanai taramanai katai sanai katara katai kata. We are clearing and cleansing your fascia in your face, vibrating in a way so that your body can pick up these vibrations and integrate them. Sanai toro kodo. Nai mono itandaya kina kidai sana. Deep breathe in, and now we are going on into your chest field, to your chest area, like a toothbrush or a broom. We are now cleaning and cleansing, dislodging it, bringing the garbage into the garbage bin. You may enhance this effect by doing these sounds on your own. Funny, isn't it? Okay, and now to your wings and arms. Clearing and cleansing, realigning them with your electromagnetic field. One way of explaining how this works is by you picking up the vibration and your soul recognizing this and allowing it to appear in your field. Now the other. And now we are connecting them. And now down. That's it. Okay. Saitono itoroi katai namai kana itara sanai kata. Urau katai kamanai kata sarai kana ikomonoi kata. Hinomonoi kata. Be blessed, lovely child of the light. Now go, play, and have fun. This is so joyful for me, just being me. Oh, confirmation. Ciao, see you next time.